Yeah, I'm just poking my way along on Route 63 here in Cornwall, and just making my way to Toymaker's Cafe in Falls Village, Connecticut. They're having a big car show in the entire town today. It takes up the whole town. We'll probably go scope all that out. But they're finally open for business again. They're just doing pastry and coffee. They're not doing a full-on huge menu thing that Greg has to cook all the food, which is cool. But it's good to see them open again. So we'll just make our way there. What a beautiful morning. Slightly overcast just a little bit, but the temperature's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it right there. That's my Beeline navigation thing, and it is wicked cool. All it does is, well, you hook it up to your phone or anything else that can navigate. You connect to it, Bluetooth, and it just points where you want to go. And then there's a little dot there next to that arrow that tells you what your next turn is coming up. So it's telling me in 1.7 miles that I'm going to be taking a left-hand turn. It's way simpler than looking at a GPS, because you don't have to digest all that stuff mentally while you're riding and taking your eyes off the road. I just glance down, the arrow's pointing where I want to go. That's where I go. I have it hooked up to my phone, which is down inside here, and it's hooked up to the 12-volt outlet up front to keep it charged, because when you're navigating, it kind of sucks up a lot of your cell phone's battery. But I think that thing is wicked cool. I love riding out here. In the summer, it's nice and shady versus blasting down some of the roads that have no canopy near them whatsoever. Right now, it's telling me I'm going to be taking a left right here. If you watch the arrow, it'll just all of a sudden go bing. And there we go. Yeah, I'm going to take the bike back to the shop kind of early-ish today, because they're talking about thunderstorms and crap weather after 2 o'clock. I already know how to get to Toymakers. I'm just using the Beeline today for fun. I just think it's a beautiful device. We're going to be coming up to the junction of Route 7 and 126, and I just go straight across. We're right up the road from Lime Rock Racetrack in Connecticut, Lime Rock Park. That's Falls Village is just before it, depending on which way you're going. But yeah, Lime Rock Park has fantastic racing during the summer. They put on a great car show every fall. And they race vintage cars.
Get in there.
This is Falls Village. It's a really cute little town. Real quiet. Make our way to Toymakers. Toymakers.